Jamaican pepper shrimp. It's more than just a recipe, it's a cultural experience. Join me as we cook up this iconic Jamaican street food and taste the vibrant flavors of the island. Let's go. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make some authentic Jamaican pepper shrimp. Alright, so in today's recipe, you're gonna need some shrimp. I have 10 pieces of shrimp with the head on. Alright, so in Jamaica, guys, we use the river crayfish, and that's the best shrimp to use for this recipe. But since we're not in Jamaica right now, we're gonna use the regular saltwater shrimp. Alright, so besides the shrimp, you're gonna need some salt, all-purpose seasoning, and just to add some extra redness to the shrimp, I'm gonna add a little bit of annatto powder. We have some vinegar, we have some oil, water. Here we have some scotch bonnet pepper, we have some thyme, pimento seeds, pimento berries, green onion, and some garlic. All right, so we're gonna combine all these lovely ingredients, and then we should be good. Keep watching. Yeah, man. So we're gonna drop in the ingredients them. And then we're gonna give it a nice little mix. Make sure everything is fully combined. And while we're doing this, guys, you wanna turn your stove to about a high heat. All right, that's gonna get the pan nice, hot and ready to go. All right, so now we're gonna add some oil to the pot. Yeah, man, so add in the oil. That's about 2 tablespoons. And then we're gonna drop in the shrimp with all the lovely ingredients. Let's see that. And we're just gonna sear this for about a minute per side. Then we're gonna add some vinegar, add some water, let it simmer for about 5 minutes, and we should be good. Alright, go ahead and flip it over. You want to let it cook for another minute. Now we're going to add in some vinegar and some water to deglaze the pan. Yes, guys, so after 5 minutes, this is how they're looking. Beautiful. This is your Jamaican pepper shrimp recipe. And if you want it to be spicier, you can always add more pepper, but I think 1 scotch bonnet will do the job, I don't want it too spicy right now. Wow. Yo. So good. Wow. This is good, guys. The spice level is maybe at a 7, I can definitely manage more than 7, but for right now, it's good. You don't need more than a spice level of 7 right now with this recipe. You can add some lemon honey, get some lemon zest or lime, but this is good, guys, and you should definitely try this recipe out. If you enjoy watching the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Keegan's Kitchen for more amazing recipes, guys. Watch out. Full of juice. Okay. Juice like crazy, guys.